Here is the question. You see the question. First, x is irrational numbers. You take A. We have to select the connected set. In option A, there is given the set of irrational numbers. The set of irrational numbers will not be connected, because if you take root 2, then it is obviously is an irrational number. But 1.42 is a rational number which is close to root 2. Actually, irrational numbers are discrete, so such discrete numbers cannot be connected. So A is wrong. Now B. In B, we have to find those x for which this inequality holds. If you draw the graph of x cube minus 1, the graph will be like this. This graph is x cube minus 1, and we have to choose those x for which this inequality holds. Then those x will be these x from 1 to infinity. And this is a closed and continuous. These points are closed and continuous, so this set is connected. So B is our correct option. Now let us go for C. In C, you see this x cube plus x plus 1, this inequality. We have to find those x for which this inequality holds. Let us draw the graph. First take fx equal to x cube plus x plus 1. F dash x will be 3x square plus 1. This is always positive. X square is positive, so this whole thing is positive. This means that the graph is monotonically increasing. So we can draw the graph taking an easy point. If you put x equal to -1, then f minus 1 will be -1. So -1 is a point. So 1 point we got here, -1. And we have to draw according to this a monotonically increasing function. So graph will be roughly, I am drawing roughly like this. And we have to find those x for which this inequality holds, that is equal to 0 or greater than 0. Then we have to check these. We have to take these x, and again in the same way as you saw in B, that this is a closed and goes to infinity, and these points are continuous, so the set given in C is continuous. Now you can go for D. In D, you see, in D it is given x cube minus 2x plus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. Let us take fx equals to x cube minus 2x plus 1. Now you see that x equals to 1 is a solution, because f1 is 0. So we can take that factor out by dividing. Let us divide by x minus 1. Then here will be x square, x cube minus x square minus plus x square minus 2x plus 1. Now you see this is nothing but a square of this, so here will be x minus 1 and here x square minus 2x plus 1. Then this equation can be written as x minus 1 into x square plus x minus 1. Now let us solve for this. X square plus x plus minus 1 equals to 0. Then x will be minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. So there are three solutions, and let us plot this on the line. Here will be 1 is x equal to 1, at 1 it is 0. Thereafter if you take plus, then root 5 minus 1 will be less than 1, so sum at this point, and other will be more than minus 1, less than minus 1. Here is minus 1. The third would be like I am plotting roughly. 1 point is here, and here will be 1, here will be 1, the second point, and it is the third point. Now let us find f dash x. Here f dash x will be 3x square minus 2, so it is 0 for x equals to plus minus 2 by 3 over root. So at x equals to plus minus 2 by 3 over root, the graph will be parallel to tangent at that point will be parallel to x-axis. So, and you know, if you put minus infinity, then this will be minus infinity. If you put plus infinity, then this will be plus infinity. So we are going to draw the graph. The graph will be, and if you put x equal to 0, then will be 1. So the graph will be like this, in this way. In this way. This way. And you know, we have to take this graph is rough, and according to this we have to take those values for which x is equal to this is equal to 0 or greater than 0. So our set of x will be this interval, and this interval, because here you see in these two parts you see graph is above x-axis, but you see obviously these two intervals are separated, so the set will be not connected because this is separated, so D is wrong. So our correct options are B and C.